How to remove effects on Instagram Reels. If you wish to actually remove the effects on an Instagram Reel, so let's say while you're still editing a certain reel over here, right? And let's say I have added a certain effect to it like this, and I'll just select one of these effects over here. If I'm still on the editing screen, I can just tap on that effects tab and I can select the option called no effect. So this can be done pre-production, right? So before you post it, you can go ahead and remove the effect. But let's say you've already posted it, then in that case, what can you do? So let me just quickly close this out. And I'll just start over like this, and once then I'll come to my profile tab, and if I go to one of my reels where perhaps I've added a certain effect, if I select that and tap the three dots option, if I go to manage, you can see the edit tab, but within the edit tab you will not be able to go ahead and remove that particular effect that you've added. So unfortunately, after you post it, it is not possible. It must be done before posting it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.